So we're back here at Stonehouse Pizza and Coffee Pub here in Gainsborough called Trent Park, where we've come here for a lovely coffee on this fine Thursday evening. It's pretty cold, guys. It's ready. What's bad, seriously. Please check out the rest of my channel videos, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching, guys. I will be in a minute. Throwback Thursday. So again, we're here at Trent Park, Stonehouse here in Gainsborough. Please subscribe, like and share for more. Bye, guys. Throwback Thursday. It's raining. Oh.